What's up everyone? Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. Today we are talking about one of the most powerful tools to boost instant sales, that is Restock alerts. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create and send high-impact Restock alert broadcast to maximize sales the moment inventory is updated. So without any delay, let us dive into how to send Restock alerts to hot buyers the right way. So first of all, you can see I have already sent this particular broadcast to my customers, and I have also sent it as an example to myself. So for that, I will show you that in my WhatsApp account, you can see this is how the template will get delivered to my customers. And in here, I have written this text, "Hi Jai Tripathi." So this is the name of my customer. Good news, Spider-Man hoodie. You can see this is the particular product which is in restock, is back in stock at trend high restock variant. You can see this is the variant. This is the available quantity. Popular item. Stocks are expected to run out fast. And here I have given these two different buttons to my customers to interact with me. So this is how my customers will receive their templates as soon as I will send a broadcast from my Pabbly Chatflow account. So this was the demo of this broadcast. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing broadcast for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So to start creating this broadcast, you just have to go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow, and by pressing this enter key, you will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And in here on the right corner, you can see we have got these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on the sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And by creating your free account, you can avail the 100 free credits that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user every new month. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on the sign in button. But before we move further, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, where individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts. Here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. Now, being an existing user, I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and I will click on this sign in button. This will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this access now button. This will get me directed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button given here. And you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here, you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out the link of those videos that I have added in the description box of this video. And after adding your WhatsApp number to create a broadcast for yourself, you have to go on the left side here and select this broadcast from this left column. After that, you will get directed on this broadcast page, and in here to add a new broadcast, you just have to click on this plus button given here. After that, inside this particular page, you have to fill up all of these following details. So first of all, for this broadcast type, I will select this broadcast campaign, and then inside this particular box, we have to give a name to our broadcast. So I will enter this particular name, Restock Alerts Trend Hive, and then from the second box here, I have to select the contact list to which I want to send this particular broadcast. So I will select this particular contact list from here, and inside this particular box, I can also select multiple contact list, or if I want to send this particular broadcast to all of my customers, then for that I just have to click on this, select all contact list. But as I do not want to select this, so I will move towards this select message type, and by the end of this video, I will also show you how you can create a contact list for yourself. So for this select message type, you can see I can either select this pre-approved template message or with this regular message. So if I will go with this regular message, then I just have to type down that particular text here which I want to send to my customer inside this message box. But there is a condition with this regular message, that I can send regular message to only those customers which were active with me for past 24 hours. So that's why I will go with this pre-approved template message, because I have already created a template and got it approved by Meta. So now I will click on this select WhatsApp template, and in here you can see these are all the templates that I have created from myself. So from this particular list, I will select this template, Restock Alert Broadcast, which I have created to send Restock alerts to my customer. And in here you can see I have created these 4 different dynamic fields. So I will fill them one by one, and how you can create a template for yourself, that I will also tell you by the end of this video. But first of all, for this body field name, you can see here the name of my customer will be written. So in place of this name, I will enter this particular contact custom field with this $sign. full name, and this is the contact custom field which I have created to store the name given by my customer. And in front of this particular custom field, by adding this dollar sign, I have made this dynamic. This means that with every customer, the name of my customers will get changed automatically. And inside this second box, you can enter any product which you want to announce a restock sale. So I will enter this particular key, Spider-Man hoodie, inside this particular product box, and for this variant I will type it down, this black and red. And now inside this quantity, you can also enter the quantity of which you want to announce a restock sale. So I will again enter this quantity 99, and here all of these details are completed. Now I just have to attach an image because I have created this template in an image format. So from this particular box here, I have to click on this and I will select this particular image which I want to send to my customer, and here I have opened it. Now you will see that this is how this particular image and this is how this particular template will get delivered to my customer. Now I will click on this done button. After that, we have to check if this template is getting delivered rightly to my customers or not. So for that, we have to test it from here. So I will enter the username, and in here I will enter my phone number. After that, when I will press this send test message button, you will see that this particular test broadcast has sent successfully. Now I will open my WhatsApp account, and here again I have received this particular template inside my account. So this is how the message that I have sent to my customer will look to them. Now I will go back to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here we will finish this broadcast. So this last step is remaining, this schedule broadcast. So I can either schedule this broadcast for later, or I can also send it instantly. So if I want to schedule it for later, then I have to click on this yes button, and then from this calendar here I can select that particular date on which I want to send this broadcast to my customer. So I will select this particular 30th of November at 6 p.m. as my date and time, and I will click on this OK button. After that, when I will click on this add broadcast button, you will see that this broadcast has scheduled successfully for this particular date and time. So this is how you can create a broadcast for yourself. Now, as I said earlier, I will show you how you can create a contact list for yourself. So for that, you have to open this contacts, and inside this contacts, to add a contact for yourself, you have to click on this add contacts button. In here, you can either add these contacts one by one, or you can also add contacts in bulk by uploading a CSV file less than 50 MB size, and you can upload a maximum of 2 lakh contacts at once. And after uploading a file, when you will click on this add contacts button, all of these contacts will get added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And then if you want to create a list out of all those contacts, then for that you have to click on this plus button, and then after giving a name to your list, you can add a tag if you want to. And if you want to select this operated status or incoming status, you can select them too. And after that, you have to add a contact custom fields for your customers. So if I will select this particular contact custom field full name, then with the help of this contact custom fields, the name of my customer will get selected successfully. So here inside this chat, you can see this particular name Jai Tripathi has got mapped of my customer, as I have added this contact custom field while creating this broadcast. And after adding all of these following details, when you will press this add buttons, all of your contacts will get added inside this particular list. So this is how you can create a list for yourself. Now I will tell you how you can create a template. So for that, I will open this template list from the left side here, and in here I will click on this add template button to start creating a template for yourself. So first of all, for this template category, you can see I can either select this marketing, utility, or authentication. So this time I will select this utility, and inside this template name, you can see we have to enter a name to our template, but there is a rule that name can only be in lowercase alphanumeric characters and underscores. Special characters and white spaces are not allowed, and here this example is also given to us. So I will enter this name for my template as this hello world, and after that, for this language I will select this as English, but you can select any other language as per your preference. Now for this template type, for the template which I have created for today's broadcast, I have selected this image as my type, but you can select any other type for yourself. Now if I will select this text as my type, then I just have to enter this template header, template format, and template footer. So if I will enter a header inside this box like this hello, and if I will enter the format that hello, and after that I will also enter the footer by. So you can see this is how your template will look to your customer. And if you want to add interactive actions, then you can do that by selecting it from here. You can select none call to action. So you can see inside my WhatsApp account, for this particular template, I have added these 2 different call to actions button, talk to support, or reserve item. So if you want to add them, then inside this box you have to type down this particular keyword, and inside this box you can enter the link of your website. And if you want to add your phone number, then you can enter the phone number here, and you can enter the text inside here like this, call us, so that your customer will be able to call you. And if you want to add quick replies, then you can do that by typing down the text inside this particular box like this, yes, I agree, so that your customer can reply this particular text to you. So if you want to select the interactive actions, then you can do that, and after that you just have to click on the submit button to submit this template for review by Meta. So this is how you can create a template for yourself. So in this video I have successfully demonstrated how you can create a template for yourself, how you can create a contact list, and at the top of that I have also demonstrated how you can schedule a broadcast for your business. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and for your queries you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. and if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.